Good morning, students.
Today I want to prove some important formula of trigonometry. In previous lecture, you know sin x plus y is equal to sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. In previous lecture, you know sin x plus y is equal to sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Put x is equal to y. Put x is equal to y. We get x plus x. Sin x plus x is equal to sin x into cos x plus cos x into sin x. Here sin x plus x 2x. Sin x cos x plus cos x into sin x. So we can write 2 sin x into cos x. This is formula of sin 2x. Formula of sin 2x. This can also be written as sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x divided by 1. 1 is 2 sin x into cos x divided by cos square x plus sin square x. You know sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Now take cos square x as a common. So here 2 sin x into cos x divided by cos square x over r divided by cos square x. So 1 plus here sin square x upon cos square x. Cos square x cancel. Cos x cancel. So we have the side 2 sin x by cos x divided by 1 plus sin square x upon cos square x can be written as sin x upon cos x whole square. Finally we get sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x by cos x, you know 10x divided by 1 plus sin x by cos x, you know 10x whole square means 10 square x. Very important formula. Sin 2x is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 plus 10 square x. Similarly, you know cos x plus y is equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Again put x equal to y. Put x is equal to y. So we get cos x plus x equal to cos x minus sin x into sin x. Okay, we get cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin into sin x, sin square x. So this is formula of cos 2x. Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. This formula can also be written as, you know cos square x in terms of sin square x. Cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x. Finally we get cos 2x is equal to 1 minus sin square x minus 2 sin square x. This is another formula of cos 2x. Again sin x converted to cos x. So cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x in terms of cos square x. Sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. So 1 minus 2 plus 2 cos square x. Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. This is another formula of cos 2x in terms of cos square x. This can be written as cos square x minus sin square x divided by 1 equal to cos square x minus sin square x upon 1. 1 means cos square x plus sin square x. Cos square x plus sin square x. So take common cos square x. 1 minus sin square x upon cos square x divided by, from denominator take cos square x as a common. So 1 plus sin square x upon cos square x. Cos square x cancel. We get 1 minus sin square x upon cos square x, tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. So this is formula of cos 2x. Fourth formula for cos 2x. Cos square x minus sin square x. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. And finally cos 2x is equal to 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Similarly for tan weeks. You know tan x plus y equal to tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x into tan y. In previous lecture you know tan x plus y, tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x into tan y. Again put x is equal to y. Tan x plus x is equal to tan x plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x into tan x. Tan x plus x 2x. So tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. So this is formula for tan 2x. Similarly, cot x plus y is equal to cot x plus y is equal to cot x cot y minus 1 upon cot y plus cot x. Put x equal to y. We get cot x plus x equal to cot x into cot x minus 1 divided by cot x plus cot x. Cot 2x equal to cot square x minus 1 upon 2 cot x. So this is formula for cot 2x. Cot 2x is equal to cot square x minus 1 upon 2 cot x.